Ý là trừ chỗ nó.
Chúng tôi rất nhân viên nhanh chóng quay đi cho chuyến bay kế tiếp. Nếu quý khách có mong muốn thay đổi lúc nào, quý khách vui lòng đưa cho tiếp viên tại cửa máy bay. Phi đoàn chúng tôi rất sẵn lòng hỗ trợ. Xin cảm ơn và kính chúc quý khách một ngày vui vẻ. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to your flight corporation.
I'm in a new hotel. I'm in Danang right now. This is the Bamboo Green, I believe it's called. I do have a window this time. No view at all, but at least some sunlight can come in here, help me wake up a little bit better in the morning. So let's just look around. Okay, nothing too special. We got this wonderful lime green paint. Yeah. Got a little bathroom here. Let's see if we have an actual shower, actual bathtub. That's pretty nice. Some towels. Good. Okay. I don't know. Those things work. Okay. All right. Well, I don't know what else to say. Not really too sure what I'm going to be doing in this.
Qua dùng đi.
Hey everybody, it's me Frank. I'm still here in Danang. I moved hotels to a different location just to be a little bit closer to the beach. They upgraded me to this corner suite, but I'm just noticing a lot of things wrong with it, so I just want to sort of document things. So this is still the day of my check-in, but I'm just going to go thoroughly through every little thing. So first off, they are aware about this curtain situation here, but it looks like they have an issue with the other curtain. As you can see, it's just tied up with wires, but this curtain here is fallen down. While we're here, let's look outside. I got a little view of an empty lot, but you can see the beach, and the beach looks really pretty. And some buildings here. This isn't directly on the beach, so that's why it's a bit cheaper. It's only about, it was about $10 a night, I think. Let's look at every little thing. Because they made a big deal. They had me sign this this thing saying that I will be responsible for any damage that I cause. So I'm worried that they upgraded me just to this room that has a lot of issues, so they can say, oh well, look at that, look at what you did, you know. But it's like, no, I did not do these things. Oh, I actually have to test these out to make sure these actually work too. Anything unusual in here? Ooh, I hate that sound. Alright, let's see. Anything broken up there? Now, one of my biggest gripes with safes in Vietnam is half the time they're locked, right? And they don't know how to open it. This one's a little bit different. But regardless, they're rarely ever secured. You know, that's not secure. This metal isn't overly thick either. It's much thinner than this door. So what's the point, really? I don't know. Bathroom's pretty nice. Not a whole lot of issues here, but this faucet I noticed just isn't connected. I would look underneath, but I'm a little lazy. I don't want to get underneath that, crawl underneath that. And I don't know what you call it, the bum gun. It is constantly leaking. Pretty sure it's just leaking there, but you're seeing drips down there too. And the bathroom shower looks okay. I haven't tried it out yet. But it's really nice when they have like shampoo and shower gel, and it's so nice. In fact, it seems like that's just a better choice than having the small disposable ones. Small disposable like the single serving shampoos and conditioners and stuff. It's a little odd construction here. There's no drain here. It has to go here somehow around this wall. And then they do this a lot. They just have drainage from somewhere else. I imagine maybe this is from the air conditioning perhaps, but still, it's just, if there's a drain somewhere, they'll have drainage, open drainage just going to that other open drain. Now, I do like the open drains in the bathrooms. I think that's a good idea, but as far as just like drainage, I had one little serviced apartment, and they call it serviced apartment, it wasn't serviced, in Saigon, and they had a kitchen sink, and the kitchen sink just drained directly to the bathroom, and like not even close to the drain. It was so far away, so like there'd be like food residue and stuff all over the floor. It was horrible. So I didn't use the sink. Anyways, all right. So I know this isn't so much just to show off a hotel or anything. It's just, like I said, mainly for me to document all the little things that might be wrong. We do have a fridge, and it was working earlier. So again, pretty much from now on, if I'm concerned about them maybe, or the condition of the room and then blaming that on me, not that it's happened yet, but I want to be better safe than sorry. You'll see videos like this. So okay, all right, that's all I got. I will get some food and talk to everyone soon. All right, bye bye.